What's going on, guys? This is your boy gdwarrior, and today I'm gonna show you my vlogging setup. What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. I thought I'm gonna show you my vlogging setup since I get a lot of questions, you know, hey man, what kind of microphone do you use? What's your setup look like and all that stuff. So first of all, let's start with my helmet. I got a Schubert S2 helmet. Love this thing, it's great. German made, so you know, I'm German. Was geht ab? Alles klar oder was? Yes, this was German. You want to make sure that you have an area, if you plan on mounted to the chin, that this area where you can find some space to put the mount on. See, you gotta use these curved mounts, and then you have to put them on somewhere. Most of the time, these areas here, they're curved, so you want to use the curved mount. Right, I have one on the side, which I barely use because I like the centered look. Okay, when you put the camera here in the center, you're gonna have a nice centered look. To your left, to your right, you see a little bit of your bike, you know, like your speedometer or so, and it's actually a great setup. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Also, what you're gonna need is the helmet mount from GoPro. Actually, I bought this thing, I think, on, no, this is original from GoPro, but you can get them cheaper, which I didn't know, and I could, you know, shoot myself for that. You can get them cheaper on eBay, and they're gonna be half of the price, you know, or if not even less. And it comes with a 90-degree angle, and then one of these little thingies here. The curved mount, like I said, unless your helmet is flat some, and then you're gonna need the flat mount. 2 of these GoPro screws. All right. GoPro adapter. Now this thing is freaking bulky. Worst design in my life. I mean, it's crazy. And then you're gonna also need an adapter for your microphone, unless you buy off those super expensive microphones that attach straight to your GoPro, which I don't even know if they exist or not, but I heard there is a model or 2 out there. So you're gonna need this, and you're gonna need Velcro strips. I went to Home Depot, I bought Velcro strips, like industrial strength. They're pretty good. The Velcro strip will be used for the microphone adapter. So you're going to attach it like right here to the helmet. Actually, it's going to be this side. So you will need the strips, place them on the adapter, take some scissors, cut them through, and then you're going to get this piece. Right? Make sure your surface is clean on the adapter. And attach it to the helmet, and the adapter goes into the GoPro adapter. And now I have my microphone already wired inside the helmet, so you're gonna have to figure out with your own helmet how you want to wire it. I found a nice spot, actually. As you can see in the Schubert helmet, everything is closed here, so there's no wind coming this side. And I attached another Velcro strip right here with the microphone, and it's right by my chin area. There's no wind coming. You can hear me clearly, as you can see in my other videos. And then you're gonna wire it. And what I like to do is I like to hide the adapter. Just place it right in here, and it's nice and hidden. It won't bother you. These cheek pads. Sorry. Now let's build the helmet mounts together. So what you want to do is you don't want to screw these screws all the way in, so you can still move it around, you know, just to adjust the camera. Make sure the area is clean. So let's take our alcohol pads, clean up that area. I've done this before, so I know my... Alright, area is dry, so now we're gonna attach the GoPro mount. What I like to do is first I like to slide this in here, and then first adjust it visually. Okay, so let's see. like to have it as close as possible to the chin area. Alright guys, this is how the finished product looked like. As you can see, the adapter cable connects to the GoPro adapter. GoPro adapter is connected to the, or attached to the Velcro strips. The cable goes inside the GoPro, and here's the mount. Alright, let's go do some videos. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any thing to say, comment below, and hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in. It's your boy gdwarrior. Man, look at this weather. Looks fucking nice. Ooh, what's this? Is this for me? Jesus Christ, what a scooter. Oh, we got, you guys see that? There was a little cop rider. I gave him the sign and he waved me back. What do we got there? A little metric bike, a rice cooker. Mine is a rice cooker deluxe.